What's going on, everybody? Don here from Walk Through Life. Today I am actually at the north rim of the Grand Canyon. Check it out. I'm going to walk down this trail a little bit. I can't go too far. It's about to be sunset time. My wife's got the camera set up to take a picture. I heard it's gorgeous, so I'm going to walk around and show you guys a couple more views.
Look at it from up here, it's amazing.
Oh, mais c'est la fin.
Landscape type.
Absolutely stunning. Sorry, you're gonna get blinded a little bit because that sun's about to set, so I gotta head back. Definitely worth a trip out here.
Ja.
Weird. I am not used to the altitude. Now, when I was stationed in Fort Carson, yes, I got used to the altitude, but it's been a minute. And I am about 5 minutes down this trail, I'm already huffing. Whew. But it is absolutely gorgeous out here. Well, guys, I absolutely hope you liked my video. If you would, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. And definitely comment on other places, because this is awesome.
I might need to get my tripod.